Hello students, today we start our exercise 6.5 which is continued. In our previous video we completed up to 12 sums. In that I will give you a few sums. I hope you already done or solved sums. Okay, today we start our sum number 32 and in this video we complete our exercise. Okay, so let's start sum number 13. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as C bar. So here the given that we have to find two numbers whose sum is 24 and its product is as large as possible. X means its maximum. So we have to prove f divided by x is less than 0 and find out the value of two numbers whose sum is 24. So we assume that there is a required two numbers is x and y. Okay, and here the summation is both number is 24. So x plus y is equal to 24. So we convert it to a one variable. So y is equal to 24 minus x. That is given number y. Here what to say? Whose product is as large. So product of two number it means multiply of this number. So x into y, now y is equal to what? 24 minus x multiplied. So that is converting to x function. Taking f of x is equal to 24x minus x square, derivative of 24x. That is 24 and derivative of x square means minus 2x. Second step, f dash x is equal to 0. 24 minus 2x, 2x is equal to 24x is equal to 12. So the first number we get. Now putting in this equation, so we get second number y is equal to 12. So we get both number. Now find two numbers. So we find it. Now prove largest possible. So double dash of this number. 24 means 0, minus 2 as it is, x means 1, so minus 2 which is less than 0. Therefore product of two numbers is large and therefore required two numbers are x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 12. Okay, students, note it down. It's simple sum. In previous sums there is a direct equation is given, of curve is given. Then after we take a derivative and put it, f dash x is equal to 0 double dash. Okay, but here in this sum you have to first make the equation and then after you have to solve. Okay, note it down. Sum number 14. Find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and xy cube is maximum. Okay, that is your 14th one. Here I solve 15 because of 14 and 16. 14, 15 and 16 all three are with the same method. Okay, so you have to perform 14 and 16. Here I solve 15 number sum. Find two positive numbers x and y such that the sum is 35. Here the state equation is given x plus y is equal to 60. But here the sum is 35 means x plus y is equal to 35 and the product x square y raised to 5 is a maximum. Okay, so first of all we have to find x and y and then after prove that x square y raised to 5 is a maximum. So here the given two number x and y and its addition 35. So it becomes x plus y is equal to 35. So x is equal to 35 minus 5. Okay, so in first sum we subject that y is equal to in x form, but here x is equal to 35 minus 5. Why? Because of due to this power here y raised to 5. That's why. Okay, so here the less power, so we make a subject of less power. So we can easily solve out. So product is given x square into y raised to 5, putting x is equal to 35 minus 5 whole square into y raised to 5. Now derivative first as it is, multiplication rule apply first as it is, second derivative 5 come down 5y raised to 4 plus first as it is, second derivative 2 come down 2 into 35 minus 5. Now the chain rule apply, again the derivative of 35 minus 5, that is 0 minus 1 minus 1. here y raised to 4, y raised to 5. So y raised to 4 common. Here 2 times, 1 time. So 1 time common, left 5, 35 minus 5 plus minus 2 into here y raised to 4. So 1y left minus 2y. Multiply of both. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7. Okay, so till here. Now further for next step, I 7 common. 7y raised to 4, 35. Here 25 sevens are and 7 ones are 1. Okay, now we get the f dash y here. So putting f dash y is equal to 0. So 7y raised to 4, 35 minus 5, 25 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now given all terms 0, 7y raised to 4 is equal to 0, 35 minus y is equal to 0, 25 minus y is equal to 0. It means y is equal to 0, y is equal to 35 and y is equal to 25. Here y is equal to 0 is not possible, similarly 35. Why? Because if I take 0, here in question there is mentioned 2 positive number. Okay, so 0 is not positive number, so we not take this. If I put y is equal to 35, so 35 minus 35, it is also 0. 0 is not positive. So answer y is equal to 25. Inputting in 1, y is equal to 25. So we get x is equal to 10. Both are positive numbers. So I just found both number. Now going for the maximum y double dash y. So in that there is what we do. Taking first derivative, remaining 2 as it is, and 1 and 3 as it is, second derivative. 1, 2 as it is, third derivative. Y raised to 4 means 4y cube. 35 minus 5, 175 minus 7y as it is. Plus y raised to 4, 35 0, y minus 1 as it is. Y raised to 4 and 35 minus 5 as it is. Derivative of this 0 minus 7. So minus 7. Okay. Now I want to put 25. I don't want to solve this because it is too large. Okay. So remain as it is. Putting 25. So here, if I put here 25, we have to put in all this. But I put here 25, 7 into 25, 175. 175 minus 175, 0. Then boil down 0. Similar here, 0. 25 raised to 4, 35 minus 25 into minus 7. Subtraction of both 10. 10 into 7, 70 plus minus 70 into 25 raised to 4. It is positive, negative, plus minus. So we get less than 0. It means that therefore product x square y raised to 5 is a maximum, and required two numbers are x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 25. In sum number 16 there is minimum, so you get the value of greater than 0. Remaining all name same as like 14, 15 and 16. Okay, note it down. Sum number 15 and try it yourself. 14 and 16 if you don't know, and let me know, so we will solve. Sum number 18. Okay, 17 you have to perform at your home. Okay, because 17 and 18 both are same sum. Okay, there is a minor change in the value. So let's start. 18 one, a rectangular sheet of P 45 cm by 24. It means length 45, width 24 cm is to be made into a box without top. Okay, there is an open box. By cutting a square from each corner. Cutting a square from each corner and folding up with the flaps. What should be the size of the square to be cut off, and so that the volume of box is maximum. It means there is the box, okay, open box. You have to four corner. That is, you have to cut the 1 centimeter. That is left x centimeter. You have to find out cutting from each corner. Okay, you have to cut and then flap. It means fold out, and then you have to find what should be the size of the square to be cut off. Okay, so how many centimeter will be cut, then it is fold out. So here I try to draw one rough figure here. There is a box. Okay, here that is we cut, and we represent that is in dot 0.4 corner, that is because of square, so length and width LB both are same, so XX taking X, that is a 24 wall 24, so we cut it out X, here X plus X 2X, so 24 minus 2X, here length is 45, so we cut XX 2X, so 45 minus this portion is 45 minus 2X. Let to the form the box of maximum volume to the side of square to be cut off the corner be X centimeter. So we get here X centimeter. Okay, we assume it, and already shown in figure. So length of the box become 45 minus 2X, width of the box 24 minus 2X, and height that is X. Okay, now we have to find the volume of box. So it means volume of box is equal to LBX. So multiplication of all three. 45 minus 2X into 24 minus 2X into X. Open the bracket. 45 into 24, 1080. 45 2s are 90. 2 4s are 28. 2 2s are 4x square into X as it is. As it is 9 plus 4 30 and 0 plus minus 138x plus 4x square x multiply. 1080x minus 138x square plus 4x cube. Now taking derivative, or if you don't want to go like this, so you have to directly derivative of the given term. Derivative of 1080x, x means 1, 1080 minus 2 come down, 138 2 is 276x plus 4 3s are 12x square. 12 common, x square 23x 90. So multiplication need 80 with the summation minus 23, 18 5 is x square minus 18x minus 5x plus 90. You have to perform. If you want to do, you can, otherwise you can direct write x minus 18 minus 5, so x minus 5. There is a factor x minus 18, x minus 5. Now I get f dash x, so putting f dash x is equal to 0. So 12 side change, x minus 18 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 18, x is equal to 5. Now, if we put x is equal to 18 into width, so 18 2s are 36. So we get width negative, which is not possible. That negative is not possible, width of box. Okay? So x is equal to 18 is not possible. It means we get the value of x. Now I want to prove the volume of box is maximum. F double dash. So here f dash x 1080 0 minus 276 plus 24 x. Now putting x is equal to 5. 120 subtraction minus 156, which is less than 0. It means it is greater. The volume of it means it is maximum. The volume of box is maximum. Therefore required length of square is 5 cm. That is your final answer. Both things we have find the value of x and also we prove it is maximum. Note it down. Okay. Sum number 19 show that all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has a maximum area. Okay, so here the circle, in a circle there is a rectangle, but we have to show that is a square and its area has a maximum. It means we have to prove that f double dash x is less than 0 and the length and breadth of the rectangle both are same. So let's assume that the radius of circle is r and length of rectangle becomes x and breadth y. So from the triangle ABC, here B is a right angle, so AC becomes Pythagoras. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB means x, y, that is x. So x square plus y square is equal to r plus r. 2r all square. Taking square, so we get 4r square. Subject y square is equal to 4r square minus x square. Here it is a rectangle, so area of rectangle x into y. Here I have y square, so that's why I take taking square both sides. So a square is equal to x square into y square. Putting y square value 4r square minus x square. Multiply 4r square x square minus x square into x square, x raised to 4. So we get the function or curve that is in value of x. So taking derivative, 2x square become 2x. So 4 2s are 8r square x minus 4x cube. Now taking f dash x is equal to 0. So 4x cube is equal to 8r square x. 1 time x square, 4 come down, 8 by 4 means 2. So x square is equal to 2r square. Taking both sides square root. So x is equal to 2 means root 2r square become r. Here radius is always positive. That's why I am not taking plus or minus. We take only plus. Now this value put in equation 1. So root 2 square to r square, 4 minus 2, 2r square, taking square root, y is equal to root 2r, both are equal. So rectangle is a square. That's incomplete. Now we have to prove it is maximum. So f double dash x, so taking derivative x, so 1 8r square minus 4 3s are 12x square. Now putting x is equal to root 2r, 8r square as it is minus 12 root 2 square to r square. Right is 24 minus 8 minus 16r square, which is less than 0. It means that that is the maximum. Therefore, in all inscribed rectangles, the rectangle of maximum area is square. So we prove it. Okay, note it down. Write down the sum in your book. Sum number 20. Show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. It means we have to show that h is equal to d or h is equal to 2r and the maximum volume. So f double dash is less than 0. So first of all, we draw the cylinder and that is the radius r and height h. Let r be the radius and h be the height. Surface area of cylinder, formula S is equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. From that I want to make a subject height. H is equal to 2 pi rh is equal to s minus 2 pi r square. So h is equal to s minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. Now we have to make a volume, that is volume of cylinder pi r square h. So E is equal to pi r square. H is equal to s 2 pi r square 2 pi r. Pi got 1 time r got r multiply sr minus 2 pi r square, sorry, cube. Now 1 by 2 s 2 3 2s are 6 pi r square. F dash x is equal to 0. 1 by 2 s minus 6 pi r square is equal to 0. This 2 0 s minus 6 pi r square, side change, s is equal to 6 pi r square. Now this value is put here. So 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square is equal to 6 pi r square. This side change, 6 minus 2, 4 pi r square. 2 2s are 2, pi got 1 time r got. So h is equal to 2r. 2r means d. That's when diameter of cylinder is equal to the height of the cylinder. Now that's complete. Now we have to maximum volume. So double dash f double dash 1 by 2 as it is s constant. So 0 minus 12 by r. 2 6 are minus 6 by r, which is less than 0. It means volume of cylinder is maximum. Hence we prove it. Next one, 21 is similar to this sum. Okay, in that there is a volume is given, that is 100. So you have to put here v is equal to 100 and then after you have to find out. Okay, the same sum are there. Sum number 22. A wire of length 28 meters is to be cut into two pieces. One of the pieces to be made into a square and other into circle. So there is one wire, there is a length of 28 meters. In that one of these we take x meter and so the remaining is 28 minus x meter. In that there is a one piece make a square. So we are taking for x square and 28 minus x is then we made circle. Okay. So what should be the length of the two pieces so that the combined area of the square and the circle is minimum? So we have to find out the derivative, second derivative is become a greater than. Okay. So let's start. First we assume that let the length of the two pieces of the wire be x and 28 minus x. Let piece of the length x be made into a square and other piece made into a circle. Okay. So here we shown that now perimeter of square, that is 4L. 4L is equal to here x using the x. So x is L is equal to x by 4. First, circumference of circle 2 pi r is equal to 28 minus x. So r is equal to 28 minus x upon 2 pi. Now we have to find out the combined area of both, that is minimum. Okay, so total area is equal to area of square plus area of circle. Area of square L square, area of circle pi r square. L is equal to x by 4 whole square plus pi. R means 28 minus x upon 2 pi square. X square 4 square 16 plus pi. 28 minus x square 2 square 4 pi square. Here pi cut. Okay, now taking a derivative, x square means 2x upon 16. 2 come down, 28 minus x means minus 1. Here 2 8s are 2, 2s are x plus minus. Okay, now we get f dash x, so we put f dash x is equal to 0. So x by 8 minus 28 minus x upon 2 pi is equal to 0. Side change. Here 2 4s are 4 this side, pi this side. So you get pi x is equal to 112 minus 4x. So 4x side change, x common, pi plus 4 is equal to 112. So x is equal to 112 by pi plus 4 meter. That is the length of first piece. Now we have to find the length of second piece. That is 28 minus x. So x is equal to 112 upon pi plus 4. Cross multiplication 28 pi, 28 4s are 112 minus, that is cancelled. 28 pi upon pi plus 4 meter. So now we find out the value of both piece. Now we have to prove that is a minimum. So f double dash, here x is 1 by 8 minus 28, it means 0. Minus x means minus 1. So minus plus 1 upon 2. Both are positive. It means greater than 0. The combine of area is minimum. Hence we prove it. Sum number 23. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of a radius capital R is 8 by 27 of the volume of sphere. So that is a circle. There is a cone. In that there is a center point. We take the radius of circle, that is r, and height of h, that is for the cone smaller. So let r be the radius of sphere and r be the radius of the cone. Small r for the cone and bigger capital R for the sphere and height h. From the figure, here triangle ABC make a 90-degree angle B. So using the Pythagoras theorem, OB square plus BC square is equal to OC square. So OB, that is this thing the R, that is full H. So it becomes H minus R. So H minus R whole square plus R square is equal to R square. Open this bracket. H square minus 2HR plus R square. Plus R square is equal to R square cut. So R square is equal to 2HR minus H square. Now the formula, we have to prove it that the largest cone. Okay, so we have the volume of the cone is largest. So volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. R square is equal to 2hr minus h square. H multiply pi by 3, 2h, 2r h square minus h cube. Now taking a derivative, pi by 3, 2r h square means 2h. 2 2s are 4rh minus 3h square. Now taking is equal to 0. Pi by 3 side change, so it becomes 0. 4rh minus 3h square is equal to 0. Make a subject h, so 3h square is equal to 4rh. H cut, so h is equal to 4r upon 3. This value we put in the volume of cone. So pi by 3 2hr minus h square into h. H is equal to 4r by 3. Now here 2 4s are 8 r square by 3. Here h is equal to 4r by 3 whole square. 4 square 16r square, 3 square 9. 4r by 3 as it is. Here if we multiply by 3, so 3 3s are 9, both the denominators same. 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 16, 8r square by 9. Now we have to prove it 8 by 27 of the volume of sphere. What is the formula of volume of sphere? That is 4 by 3 by r cube. So I want to make 4 by 3, okay, r into r square into r, so r cube and 5 left 8, 9 3s are 27, 8 by 27 into 4 by 3 pi r. That is the formula of volume of sphere. So volume of cone is equal to 8 by 27 volume of sphere. Here we have to first thing prove. Now we have to prove volume of largest cone. So f double dash pi by 3 is h here to 4r minus 6h. Now both h is equal to 4r by 3. Pi by 3 4r by 3 2s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 minus 8 minus 4r. It means that is a negative. So volume of cone is maximum. Hence we prove it both things. Sum number 24. Show that the right circular cone of flexed curved surface and given volume has an altitude equal to √2 times the radius of the base. It means we have to prove, here we take h, so h is equal to √2r and the surface area of cone, that is minimum. Okay, so let's assume that r be the radius, h be the height and l be the slant height. So we know that volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. I want to prove that we have to prove that is the surface area of cone, that is minimum. So we have a formula surface area, that is pi r l. L means slant height. So we have converted into h square plus r square. So I want to make a h to r. So here we subject h 3b upon pi r square. Now this formula we have the value of L square. If we are going for L, then that came in root. So differentiation might be a little bit hard for us. That's why we are taking a square. So pi square r square L square. L square is equal to r plus h. H square plus r square. Putting the value of h square out. Pi square r square 9b square pi square r raised to 4 plus r square. This pi square got r square left. 9b r square plus pi square r raised to 4. Now derivative with respect to r, 9b square constant 1 upon r square means minus 2 by r cube plus pi square means 4r cube. 9 2s are minus 18b square upon r cube plus 4 pi square r cube. Comparing with 0, so we get 4 pi r square r cube is equal to 18b square upon r cube. I want to prove h is equal to √2r, but here v, so I want to remove v, but v is equal to what? 1/3 pi r square h. So here this thing as it is, pi square r raised to 4 h square 3 square 9 2s are r cube cut, pi square cut, so into 2s are 2r. Here one time r left, so that r also cut, 2r square is equal to h square. H square is equal to 2r square. Taking root, h is equal to √2r. First thing we prove. Now I want to prove that the minimum surface area. So second time derivative minus 18b square as it is 1 upon r cube means minus 3 upon r raised to 4 plus 3 come down, 4 3s are 12 pi square r square minus plus 18 3s are 54 v square upon r raised to 4. That is all r positive. It means greater than 0. Therefore surface area of the cone is minimum. Okay, here we prove it. Note it down, write it. Sum number 25. Show that the semi-vertical angle of the cone of the maximum volume and of given slant height is tan inverse √2. So here the cone is given, so we take a cone, that is AB, that is h, height r, radius, slant height and angle theta. Okay, so let h be the height, r be the radius, theta semi-vertical angle of the cone. From the figure, L square is equal to h square plus r square. So here we have to prove it volume of cone. That is on show that the semi-vertical angle of the cone, the maximum volume and of given slant height, that is is tan inverse root 2. Okay, so here I want to convert into all the function into x. So I subject r square is equal to l square minus h square. So putting r square is equal to l square minus h square in this formula, multiply by h. Taking derivative pi by 3 is l square minus 3 come down 3h square. Taking f dash h is equal to 0. Putting here pi by 3 side change, so becomes 0. L square is equal to 3h square. Now I want to convert L into L square is equal to what? H square plus r square. So put here L square value, h square side change, so r square is equal to 2h square, r is equal to root 2h, r by h is equal to root 2. Why? I want to prove tan theta is equal to tan inverse root 2. So I need tan theta. Okay, but tan means what? R by h. So we are just subject r by h is equal to root 2. Tan theta is equal to r by h. R by h is equal to what? Root 2. So theta is equal to tan inverse root 2. We prove it. Now I want to also prove that is the maximum volume. Taking f double dash from here, that is pi by 3 as it is l square 0 3 come down minus 6h 3 2s are cut minus 2 pi h which is less than 0. So the volume of cone is maximum. Next one 26 is similar like that. Okay, you have to write yourself. Okay, here our exercise 6.5 is completed. You have to solve maximum. You have to practice of this sum at least 2-3 times if you want. You have to write and then after you have to solve yourself. Okay.